Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Liliana. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful backdrop, perfect for a mermaid theme. It's made out of paper plates, so everything can be bought at the dollar store. Very cheap. It gives it a nice wow factor. So I really hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, last week's video, I showed you how to make this beautiful mermaid balloon garland. If you haven't watched it yet, I will put a link down below so you can go ahead and have a look at that. So enough talking and let's get to it. So this is the final product with the balloons. It's just like, wow, it's just so nice. I love the look of it. It's just so beautiful. It looks so expensive, and really it's made out of paper plates. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. In today's video, it's going to be a mermaid backdrop made out of paper towels.